In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Google Calendar events. If you've accidentally deleted a meeting or an appointment, don't worry. Google Calendar keeps deleted events in a built-in trash folder for a limited time, so you can bring them back quickly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident recovering what you need. Start by opening a web browser and going to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple calendars for work, school, or personal use. It also helps to confirm you're looking at the right calendar on the left sidebar, since events are restored to the calendar they originally belonged to. Next, look to the top right of the page for the gear icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. Inside the Settings view, you'll see a navigation panel on the left. Find and click Trash. This is where Google Calendar stores items you've removed. Deleted events usually remain here for around 30 days before they're permanently erased, so the sooner you check, the better your chances of recovery. In the trash, you'll see a list of deleted events, along with details like the title, the original date and time, and which calendar they came from. If you manage multiple calendars, use the calendar selector in this area to narrow down what you're seeing. Skimming the dates can help you quickly spot recent deletions. When you find the event or events you want back, select them by clicking the checkbox next to each one. Then click Restore. You'll see a confirmation that the event has been restored to its original calendar. If it was part of a recurring series, restoring one instance brings back that specific occurrence. Restoring the series will return the entire set. Keep in mind that restored events go back to their original date and time, so you may need to navigate to a past date or use the search bar to locate them right after restoring. A couple of quick tips. You can select multiple events at once to save time, and you'll also see an option to permanently delete items from trash. Only use permanent delete if you're absolutely sure, because that action cannot be undone. Finally, if time zones or working hours have changed since the event was deleted, double-check the details after restoration to ensure everything looks right. That's it. Open Google Calendar, head to Settings, go to Trash, select your items, and click Restore. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.